you found an apple pie right here. What would you do with it?
I rolled it off the ground.
You'd eat it?
I rolled you.
Good morning. Getting some breakfast going, bacon, eggs, flapjacks. Got some sausage coming up, some eggs.
I'm eating the table.
And my messy little children.
And what's this device you're cooking on?
This is a Skottle. And I was skeptical for a long time. I see a lot of overlanders on YouTube using them. And after getting one, I get it. They're kind of spendy, but they pack down real small. You can keep your food warm around the outer edge, and it'll stay warm even in 30 degrees like this morning. And you just kind of focus all your cooking on the middle. And they do really well. You can cook easily for a family. You could probably stretch its capacity to 2 families if you had to. But for what we do, it actually works really well, and I see why everyone's willing to fork out the cash to get one. There's some, what do you call that, some affiliate links from some of the bigger Overland channels. I think I used Overland X. He's a prominent Overlander on YouTube, and I think that gave me like 10 or 15 or something like that % off, and I'm happy with it. It works well.
Thanks for watching at Uncle Dylan's channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.